Welcome back, gardeners. Today we're covering how to best store fresh cucumbers to keep them crisp and delicious, as well as how to preserve them as pickles for long-term enjoyment. Whether you're looking to enjoy cucumbers fresh or as homemade pickles, we've got you covered. To keep cucumbers fresh, store them in the crisper drawer of your refrigerator. Wrap them in a paper towel to absorb excess moisture and place them in a plastic or perforated bag. This helps keep them crisp for up to a week. Be sure to keep cucumbers away from ethylene-producing fruits like apples and bananas, which can cause them to spoil faster. If you have a surplus of cucumbers, making pickles is a great way to preserve them. Start by slicing or keeping them whole, depending on your preference. Choose a pickling recipe that matches your taste, whether it's for classic dill pickles, bread and butter pickles, or something spicy. To make pickles, prepare a brine with vinegar, water, and salt. Then add your spices like dill, garlic, or mustard seeds. Pour the brine over the cucumbers in sterilized jars, leaving enough room at the top. Seal the jars and store them in the refrigerator for quick pickles, or use a water bath canning method for long-term storage. Refrigerated pickles will last for several weeks, while canned pickles can be stored for up to a year. Be sure to label your jars with the date to keep track of freshness. By properly storing your cucumbers or preserving them as pickles, you can enjoy your garden harvest well beyond the growing season. Stay tuned for more gardening tips, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more advice. Happy preserving!